Power outages are a growing threat. They happen more often now than ever before. Since 2000, these outages have surged by 600%. That's huge. Storms, accidents, and grid failures can all plunge us into darkness. We rely so much on electricity, lights, heat, cooking. They all depend on power. When the grid goes down, our comfort and safety are at risk. Being ready for an outage is essential. You can't predict when disaster will strike, but you can control how prepared you are. Don't wait for the lights to go out. Take action now. An emergency kit is your lifeline during a power outage. It's more than just a collection of items. It's a well-thought-out plan for survival. It holds everything you need to survive and stay safe. From food and water to first aid supplies, every item has a purpose. Think of it as your survival backpack, ready for action at a moment's notice. It's your go-to resource when the unexpected happens. Start with a sturdy container. This is the foundation of your kit. A large plastic storage bin or a durable duffel bag works well. These containers are designed to withstand tough conditions. Make sure it's easy to carry and waterproof. Label everything clearly. This ensures that you can find what you need without wasting precious time. This saves time and confusion in an emergency. An organized kit can make all the difference when every second counts. You'll be able to find what you need quickly. Efficiency is key in a crisis. Store your kit in an easy-to-access location. You don't want to be scrambling to find it when the lights go out. A basement, garage, or hallway closet are all good options. These locations are typically central and easy to reach. Make sure everyone in your household knows where it is. Communication is crucial in ensuring everyone's safety. Remember, an emergency kit is an investment in your safety and well-being. It's a small effort that can have a big impact when disaster strikes. Be prepared, stay safe, and ensure peace of mind for you and your loved ones. Water is life. It's the most crucial element in your emergency kit. During a power outage, access to clean water might be limited or non-existent. Aim to store 1 gallon of water per person per day. A family of 4 will need 4 gallons daily for drinking and basic hygiene. Consider using reusable water containers like Lowe's buckets. They are sturdy, stackable, and readily available. Water treatment is vital. Include water purification tablets or a filter in your kit. This ensures your water is safe to drink even if the source is questionable. Remember, dehydration can be dangerous. Be prepared. Food is fuel. It keeps your energy levels up during an emergency. When the lights go out, your regular cooking methods might be useless. Stock up on non-perishable food items. Canned goods, energy bars, dried fruit, and nuts are all great options. Choose foods that require no cooking and have a long shelf life. Don't forget a manual can opener. There's nothing worse than having a can of soup and no way to open it. Consider nutritional value. Opt for foods that offer calories, protein, and essential nutrients. Your body will thank you. Section 5. Shedding light on darkness. Illumination essentials. When the power goes out, darkness descends quickly. Having multiple light sources is crucial for navigating your home safely. Candles are a simple and effective option. Store them in a safe place away from flammable materials. Always use caution when burning candles. Headlamps are fantastic for hands-free lighting. They allow you to move around freely while keeping your hands available for tasks. Rechargeable lanterns provide long-lasting illumination. Make sure to charge them fully before a storm or anticipated outage. A diversified approach to lighting ensures you're prepared for any situation. Section 6. First aid, preparedness for the unexpected. Accidents can happen anytime, especially during emergencies. A well-stocked first aid kit is essential. Include a variety of bandages, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers, and any personal medications. Check the expiration dates regularly and replenish as needed. Don't forget a first aid manual. It provides step-by-step instructions for handling common injuries. Knowing basic first aid can make a difference in an emergency. Consider taking a course to refresh your skills. Section 7. Staying comfortable. Beating the heat and cold. Power outages can expose you to extreme temperatures depending on the season. Being prepared for both heat and cold is vital for your comfort and safety. During summer outages, stay hydrated and wear loose-fitting, light-colored clothing. Find cool spots in your home, such as a basement or lower level. In winter, layer clothing for warmth and consider using blankets and sleeping bags for insulation. If you have a fireplace, ensure it's safe to use and have a supply of firewood. A power outage doesn't have to mean discomfort. With a bit of planning, you can weather the storm in relative comfort. Section 8. Special considerations catering to unique needs. Every family has unique requirements. When preparing your emergency kit, consider the specific needs of your household members. For infants and young children, pack diapers, formula, baby food, wipes, and comforting items. Familiar toys and books can help keep them calm during a stressful situation. For elderly individuals or those with medical conditions, include extra medications, medical supplies, and copies of their medical information. Don't forget your furry friends. Pack pet food, water, a leash, and any necessary medications for your pets. Remember, preparedness is about anticipating the needs of everyone under your roof. Section 9. The power of financial preparedness. While not directly part of your physical emergency kit, financial preparedness is crucial during emergencies. It ensures that you have the necessary resources to handle unexpected situations without added stress. Having some cash on hand is essential, as ATMs and card readers may not be functional during a power outage. This cash can be used for essential purchases like food, water, and other supplies when electronic payment systems are down. Keep a small amount of cash in small denominations in your emergency kit. Small bills and coins are more practical for everyday transactions, especially when change might be hard to come by. Make sure your important documents such as identification, insurance policies, and medical records are easily accessible. These documents are vital for proving your identity, accessing medical care, and filing insurance claims. Store digital copies in a secure cloud storage service. This ensures that even if physical copies are lost or damaged, you can still access your important information from any location with internet access. Consider keeping a small supply of gasoline on hand for generators or vehicles. This can be crucial during extended power outages, allowing you to maintain power and mobility. Store it safely in approved containers away from living areas. Proper storage reduces the risk of fire hazards and ensures that the fuel remains usable when you need it. Financial preparedness provides peace of mind and allows you to address unexpected expenses during an emergency. By planning ahead, you can focus on keeping your family safe and secure, knowing that you have the financial resources to handle whatever comes your way. Section 10. Maintaining your emergency kit. A dynamic process. Creating an emergency kit is a great first step, but it's not a one-time task. Regularly maintain and update your kit to ensure its effectiveness when you need it most. Check expiration dates on food, water, medications, and batteries every 6 months. Replace any expired items promptly. Replenish any items that have been used, even if it's just a few bandages or batteries. It's better to be over-prepared than caught off guard. Review the contents of your kit with your family members. Make sure everyone knows where it is and how to use the items inside. Section 11. Be prepared, stay safe, your call to action. Power outages are a reality in today's world. They can disrupt our daily lives, leaving us in the dark and without essential services. They can happen anytime, anywhere, and often without warning. Imagine being in the middle of an important task or spending quality time with your family, only to be plunged into darkness. But you don't have to be caught off guard. Take action now. Start by understanding the risks and knowing what you need to stay safe. Build your emergency kit, stock it with essential supplies, and review it regularly. Items like water, non-perishable food, flashlights, batteries, and a first aid kit are crucial. Share this information with your friends and family. Discuss your emergency plans and ensure everyone knows what to do in case of a power outage or other emergencies. Encourage them to prepare as well. A community that is prepared together can support each other and stay safe during difficult times. Remember, being prepared is not about being paranoid. It's about being responsible. It's about taking proactive steps to protect yourself and your loved ones. By taking these simple steps, you're equipping yourself and your loved ones with the tools to navigate the unexpected and emerge safely from any challenge. Preparedness is a form of empowerment. Don't wait for disaster to strike. The time to act is now. Start today by making a plan, gathering your supplies, and staying informed. Be prepared. Stay safe. Your actions today can make all the difference tomorrow.